In this video, I'm going to show you how to loosen the motor so that you can set the belt tension to the proper amount. There are two bolts on the left and right hand side of the motor mount, and they are in an arc pattern to allow you the maximum amount of travel. All you need to do is to get your pry bar, hold your motor in place, loosen the two screws, loosen the two bolts. Once the bolts are loosened, your motor will travel freely up and down, as you can see. At this point, you will raise the motor up. You will check your tension on your belt. Once you have the appropriate tension on your belt, you will tighten the left side. Check your belt tension again to make sure it is proper. And then on the right side, you will tighten the right hand bolt. Make sure these are snug so that the motor does not slip down. Go ahead and remove your pry bar. And we are going to get in here and we're going to check the belt tension. And the belt tension is just fine. The serpentine belt is lined up, so we are ready to go.